Great day everyone, today I'm going to show you the easiest way how to use transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go for it. Even though adding transition in DaVinci Resolve is not as intuitive as in other video editors such as Vegas Pro, it's still quite an easy process. So let's say that DaVinci Resolve is already running and that those are the two clips we want to put transitions in between. So first of all, we want to go towards this edit tab, then you will click edit top left on the effects and you will go to video transitions. Here you got multiple transitions out of which you can choose that you can use for your video. In case you have no idea which one you want to choose, you can simply drag with your mouse over the transition and at the preview you can see how it would look like in case you would use them for the video. So this is basically how the additive dissolve would look like in our video. This is how the smooth cut would look in our video. And for example, let's show some iris transitions as well. So in case I would like to use the cross iris, this is how it would look like. So when you will choose the right transition for your video, all you have to do is drag and drop the transitions in between two clips you want to use it in your video, like this. And then as I will simply play the video, as you can see, the transition has been applied in between your clips. Then you can easily make it longer, shorter, or whatever you want. By the way, when we are talking about the transitions and about the preview, in case your preview is lagging quite a lot and you cannot really see what the transition would look like, this is probably because you got low PC. That means you can try to fix it by go to playback and go to render cache. Here make sure that you have checked smart and also make sure that at the timeline proxy resolution, once again at the playback of course, so playback timeline proxy resolution, you choose half or even quarter. That will decrease the quality of the preview, but don't worry, as this will not impact the quality of your final render. Okay, so that's basically it, but sometimes you can have a problem that you choose the transition you want to use, but as you will drag and drop it into your video, it will basically not apply. As you can see, I cannot add there this transition. So basically this is happening because we are at an absolute end of this left clip and at the complete beginning of this right one. That means that there is no video part that could be transition used for. So for this you can do two things. First of all, you can try to use this trim edit mode and simply drag both parts of this video. So let's firstly drag this right part of the clip towards the left, and as you can see, this white kind of rectangle will appear at this left clip. This was the part of the clip that could be used transition for, but now in case I would like to add transition, I can add it only for this left part, as you could see. This means that we want to move this left clip as well, so I will simply once again with this same tool drag a little bit toward the right this left clip. Okay, so as now we got some parts of the video that are like crossing each other, I can simply choose the transition and drag and drop it right between. And as you can see, I can make it longer, but I can make it as long at the maximum as those white parts of the crossed video were. So in case you would like to make your transitions longer, you have to choose bigger parts of your video to cross each other. Okay, so using of the trim edit mode was the first option. The second option is to actually cut off a little bit from this left clip and cut a little bit off from the second one. So let's say that I want to cut off this ending of the first clip and this beginning of the second one. And thanks this, I can once again add any kind of transition in between those two clips. Okay, so basically I showed you already how you can add transition into your video and how you can solve the problem in case you cannot actually add transition in between your clips. Now, of course, in case you want to play in your video with the transition, you can easily make it longer, shorter, and in case you would like to play with the settings even more, you can go to Inspector, Transitions, and here you can play with all of those settings around with the duration in case you would like to be specific of what the duration of the transition should be, and with all of the other settings around. As you can see, you can even choose that other kind of transitions, and every transition have various settings. So in case you can choose which will fit best your video and what will work best for you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found here what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all of the support, and see you all next time.